This video is going to demonstrate packing cartons with a standard item onto a shipment in SAP Business One using Agility 360's Pack Cartons application. First, we're going to start by taking a look at the sales order in SAP. For this, we're going to be using sales order 1028, and you can see we have a quantity of 2 of item A00001. It's not batch tracked or serialized. Now we can go ahead and minimize that and open up our Agility 360 emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. And we can go down to Pack Cartons, which is in our distribution menu, and open that up. Now we can start by hitting enter because we don't currently have a shipment or a carton. We would be able to add these items to a current shipment or a carton that already exists in the system. Hitting enter will create a new shipment and a new carton. Now we can enter in our order 1028. Now I'm going to go ahead and scan in my item A001. And now I'm going to scan my bin 05-D and enter in my quantity of 2. Now we're able to print a label to any printer in your warehouse, but we're going to cancel that for this exercise. And now we're going to take a look, and we have created shipment 206 and our new carton 9684. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Agility Explorer here. I'm going to take a look at 2 Agility grids on the desktop. First, we're going to take a look at our shipment in Fulfillment Manager. Again, that was shipment 206. So here's our new shipment with our carton 9684 with a quantity of 2 of that item A00001. You can see the orders also associated there, 1028. Now I can jump over to my inventory palette view. This shows all of the cartons and pallets in our system. If we go ahead and refresh that there, we'll see our new carton 9684 appear at the top of the grid because it's sorted by most recent with 2 of item A00001. Thank you for watching.